It's Denson DIY, and today we're opening the JBL Peer-Based Wireless. This is a Bluetooth device, and also it has a wire to connect to any older models or a model that might have the aux jack. But we have 50 hours here. It has the JBLs, and then it has right here detachable auto cable. Then all the controls it has, and then talk about the other cable. Then back here, you can see some of the headphones, and then you can see calls, peer bass, multi-point connection, and lightweight, and voice assistant. It has a warning, and that's what comes in. It has Type-C, Bluetooth 5.0. It's gonna cut this for me, and we'll be right back.
So I'm gonna get at this and open it for Sun, and we'll be right back.
So right now we're getting it open, and so we have two cables right here. We have to this, which is pretty nice because that is a protective cover, and then the headphones themselves.
So that marks left. All right. And there's your input for your 3.5 millimeter power, volume controls. All right, so we have everything laid out. So we have the instructions and the registration paperwork. I'm not necessarily worried about the registration yet, but we are instruction readers because we want to get it right the first time. So the first thing we are going to do is we're going to connect these to a cable, and it uses USB-C. It does come with one, but we have them all around the house. So we're going to connect that, get them charged up, and after they're charged, we'll come back and show you how to set these up on your devices. All right, so as we cut to go try to charge, full disclosure, it took us a hot minute, even with the instructions, to find the location of the charger. So know that it's right here under the right earphone, hidden. So it's convenient, but you do have to rotate the ear cup down to access the USB-C plug.
Right here, the headphones in the back, but what's inside the box? We have a headphone cable, a wired connection, USB-C to USB-A, and 2 manuals, and the headphones. So power and connect, it just connects through regular Bluetooth. You can multi-point connection this, which basically means like on a phone or any type of device, you can have that, and you can also have it on an iPad or a Galaxy or an Android tablet. There's a bunch of button commands. I'm gonna let you guys look at this for a while and just see them. If you don't want to, you can just. So now we're gonna go from that. And then there is a wired listening mode, which I will not be using, but this is USB-C. So 5 minutes equals 3 hours of listening. And then you can factory reset them, which I will not be doing. And then LED behaviors, you can look at these if you want. And then they have the text specs. I'll just leave these on the screen for you. So we have the headphones laid out, and we're going to get them connected to phone or tablet of our choice, and we're going to show you guys on a screen recording.
So we finished the charging. We're gonna go ahead and power them up. And now that they're ready to go, we're gonna go ahead. We see the indicator light. It's in pairing mode. So Sun's gonna go offline and then record how you connect these to your favorite device. So at first we went out to the App Store to see if there was a JBL app for our iPhone. There happened to be one. However, all it does is give you instructions on how to pair, and actually our models weren't even listed. So just letting you know that this app exists. However, we did not use it. Sun was able to hop over to the settings,
and we just found it on Bluetooth. It was so much easier to use it in there.
We got these connected. So he showed you that, how you do that through the screen record. Next, we're gonna go through the different commands that this has. So in our first trial run, we love the way these sounded, and we think you'll be impressed too. So he's gonna go through the different features, test out that it works with Siri, because it's supposed to be compatible. He's gonna test it out with some calls, see how the functionality of both the microphone and hearing works, and then test the different features it has. So be sure to stick around. So we went ahead and tried to use some of the functional buttons, like having Siri launch some of our favorite music. But if you stick around, you'll see our Pandora playlist.
Here's
and all
heavy
the
metal
options that we listen to. John and I both played with these, listened to music, made calls, used Siri, tested the functionality. We think these work and sound awesome. Connect easy, and even better yet, we got these for a smoking deal price. If you want to know how much? Ask below in the comments. If you'd like to see more tech videos and electronics videos or other DIY videos and setups, be sure to
like and subscribe.
And coming soon, we will be comparing these to other headphones, over-the-ear, earbuds, you name it. AirPods, JLabs, different brands, different styles to see our favorite, and then we will do a lineup video as we continue to get more. But we hope you enjoyed this one. We'd like to see you again in the community, and
Have a great day.
take care.